Okay, working on the Nova today. What I'm doing is I'm changing. I had some just regular switches. I've got them dangling here in case I need to still drive the car. But they were where the radio used to be, on another panel. But we determined we don't need a radio because can't hear it while the car's running. It's pretty loud. So we decided that that was a good place to put switches, so we can run the car a little bit better, cleaning up some of the wiring that's in there. I've got the relay panel here. So this is our fuse block, main power in, and then all of our grounds are up here. These are just grounds right now for the relays, and then we have extra grounds that we can add later. These are the power inputs that are fused for the relays, that are sending the power to the output once the switch wires are connected. So basically we have power to the relays, power coming out of the relays through all of these guys once the switch gets hit. We have the start relay, ignition, fan, and fuel, and then that all gets connected to this little guy via this plug. So we'll put another plug here with wires going to the switches once the panel's installed and in place. So this guy here has constant power going to the USB charger. I'm not all that concerned about that because the battery has a main cutoff. So when it gets parked for any length of time, we just turn the battery off. So this one, we have it set up so that once that's on, we can turn on the ignition, fans, fuel, and then this is the engine start. So that's going to be connected to the start relay. And then we can cut everything off with that, or we can turn everything on with that, or if we don't need the fuel pump or anything, we can turn that off as well. Anyway, that's what we're working on. Got that all put together and soldered, and this is going to piggyback to an additional USB charger up here, and this one, when that's connected, it has a readout for the voltmeter too. So because this car doesn't have much in the way of gauges and it's no longer an automatic, basically nothing up here works because everything's kind of been changed and modified. So we're just working on wires and getting everything up and running. Alrighty, bye.